tiny tails.
On the farm and in the trees, animal babies you can see. Cows with calves and ducks with ducklings, little ones make hearts sing. In the jungle, wild and free, animal babies you can see. Lions with cubs and elephants with cows, tiny ones bring us laughs.
Animals and their babies. Hello friends, today we are going to meet animals and their babies on the farm and in the forest. Do you want to join me? Yes? Great, let's go. Look over there on the farm. It's a cow and someone is hiding behind her. It's baby cow. The baby of the cow is called calf. Calf. Here is Mrs. Duck near the pond, and look, someone is following her. It's her baby. The baby of the duck is called Duckling. Duckling. Look there. It's a horse. And who is that little one beside her? It's her baby. The baby of the horse is called a foal. Foal. Now, let's see who we can find next. Oh, it's a sheep. And look, there is a small one next to her. The baby of the sheep is called a lamb. Lamb. Here we have a pig. And looks like someone is hiding behind her. That's her baby. The baby of the pig is called a piglet. Piglet. Look, that's a goat. And who is that little one jumping around? It's her baby. The baby of the goat is called a kid. Kid. Now we see a hen. And who is that cute little one following her? It's her baby. The baby of the hen is called a chick. Chick. Look over there. It's a cat. And see that tiny one beside her? That's her baby. The baby of the cat is called a kitten. Kitten. Here is a dog. And who is that small one playing near her? It's her baby. The baby of the dog is called a puppy. Puppy. Let's head to the forest now. Oh, there is a deer. And look, there is a little one next to her. The baby of the deer is called a fawn. Fawn. Look up in the tree. It's an owl. And who is that small one in the nest? It's her baby. The baby of the owl is called an owlet. Owlet. Here we see a bear. And look at that tiny one with her. That's her baby. The baby of the bear is called a cub. Cub. Oh, there is an elephant. And see that small one near her? That's her baby. The baby of the elephant is called a calf. Calf. Look, there's a lion. And who is that little one beside her? It's his baby. The baby of the lion is called a cub. Cub. Here's a kangaroo. And see that tiny one in her pouch? That's her baby. The baby of the kangaroo is called a joey. Joey. Look, there's a monkey. And who is that small one hanging on her? It's her baby. The baby of the monkey is called an infant. Infant. Now we see a rabbit. And look at the tiny one near her. That's her baby. The baby of the rabbit is called a bunny. Bunny. Here's a fox. And see that tiny little one near her? That's her baby. The baby of the fox is called a kit or cub. Cub. Look, there is a goose near the pond. And who is that small one following her? It's her baby. The baby of the goose is called a gooseling. Gooseling. Oh, there's a wolf. And look at that tiny one with her. That's her baby. The baby of the wolf is called a pup. Finally, we see a frog near the water. And look, there's a tiny one with her. That's her baby. The baby of the frog is called a tadpole. Tadpole. What a wonderful time we had meeting all the animals and their babies. See you next time, friends. Like and subscribe to Tiny Tales for more videos like this.